What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back, baby. We gonna make something special tonight. I had this seasoning since yesterday. Let me pause this real quick. Yeah, I got lava back there tonight. Fox. But one thing I seasoned this with was garlic and Tony Sassery bold. And yes, it's a turkey wing. But we're just gonna put it on here. Oh, plug it in first. That would make sense, huh? You can smell the garlic as soon as I open the bag. We're gonna put it in there with the oil and everything. Yep, big old turkey wing. Well, the bottom part of it, I made the other part yesterday and ate it. It was good. All right, y'all. We're gonna put mirepoix, which is carrot, celery, and onions. I'm just gonna put it right into the oil. Y'all hear that hot? Let these cook down with the turkey leg to where there's no bite to them. I don't like onion bite, but that. And then later we'll put the rest of the stuff in. Y'all gotta stay tuned to see what I put in it. Here we go, y'all. We're gonna take the turkey wing out. Oh, the wrong object. We'll take it out. We're gonna sit it aside right up here. We got some flour right here. We're gonna take some flour, put it in there. And I gotta mix this around and brown it, and I'll be back. Okay, there wasn't enough liquid in there, so I gotta put some butter. Drop that in. Got a third of a stick of butter in there to brown this flour. And be back. All right, y'all, we back. We got some whole milk here. I couldn't get to no heavy cream because I've been driving. So we're gonna put some of this in here. Then we're gonna turn around and put, oh, sorry, turkey broth. There we go, and then we're gonna mix this around and alright, y'all, what we're gonna do is take this turkey wing, put it right back in this gravy, rotate it around, let it soak in some of the juices, then we're gonna finish the cooking like that. Alright, y'all, we about to finish this dinner off. We're gonna take this turkey leg, put it right over the top, right there. And then take the gravy, and we're gonna pour it right over the top of it. There we go, y'all. Smothered turkey leg for dinner tonight. And come on.